Hey guys, Mahel here with Tech from Another Perspective, and today I will be unboxing the Gioteck XC4-HQ high-speed HDMI cable, which claims to also have Ethernet. It is a 3D HDMI cable which can upscale 1080p to HD 2K, which is pretty good, because at the cinema you would find 4K video and you can potentially get 2K video from this if you have 2K TV, which is just pretty fabulous in terms of quality. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so just put it here for easy opening, and yeah, here we go. Got this bit open, and now here. Oops. Just bear with me. Here we go. Just a bit back. Here we go. And now we can open this. Pretty sure. Yep. Take this box out. Anything else in here? Yes. Comes with some sort of manual, which it's not hard to put in a HDMI cable, but anyway, it's there for noobs. It's metal rather than like covered in plastic or rubber, which is pretty decent, but I'd prefer if it was covered in rubber, like my Gioteck standard HDMI cable. Done. Let's open this, take this off. Alright, got this off. Now the other one. Okay, and now here we go. Get one end, and now just take it out. One more. You can hear me just taking it out. I'm doing this off camera so it'll be easier. It is 1.8 meters, which is actually longer than I thought it would have been, and while opening it, it's longer than I thought 1.8 meters would have been. But anyways, still taking me time. You know what, I think I'll just cut it, so just get it here, cut. Make sure we don't cut the cable. Cutting's not working out. This is probably the worst unboxing ever. But what can we do? What can we do? I know what we can do. There. Okay, so we have it. Why did I just do what I did? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I'm just gonna rip this apart. Here we go. Look, here we go. We've ripped it, and now it'll be easier. Yeah, I'm being a bit destructive. Luckily, I've got a tripod. Otherwise, this would have been harder. I will also do a review. Holy crap! I almost hit tripod. I'll also do a review video of that, because yeah. What's review video of a tripod gonna hurt. If you wonder what I record with, I use the iPhone 4, as it does have a HD camera 720p, which is enough for YouTube. I look to upgrade it in the next few months, hopefully. If my channel does start to bloom, I will get a DSLR camera and record with that. We have finally got the HDMI cable naked. Yes. And first impression, it's pretty long, and yeah. Here it does say it's 3D HDMI 2K Gioteck. And yeah, that's it guys for the unboxing. Sorry for this stuff that took me so long, but thanks for watching. I will probably have a review video of this Roxio videos coming up, and yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Mahel here with Tech from Another Perspective. Make sure to leave a comment, rate the video, and become a buddy by subscribing. Peace out.